In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. Before you upload anything, check your file's size and format so you don't run into preventable errors. ChatGPT enforces a hard limit of 512 MB per file. If your video is a long presentation or a high bitrate 4K clip, compress it or export a 1080p version in your editor first. Also stick to common containers, MP4, MOV, or AVI. Niche recording formats can trip up processing and slow everything down, so converting beforehand saves time. On desktop, you have two simple ways to attach a video to your conversation. The first is through the plus menu beside the message box at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus icon, choose Add Photos and Files, browse to your clip, and select Open. You'll see the file appear in the Compose area, ready to send. If you prefer faster actions, drag and drop works smoothly. Open Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows, click and hold your video and drag it right over the chat window. When the interface highlights, release the file to queue it for upload. Once the video is attached, steer the model with clear prompts so it knows exactly what to analyze. Instead of saying, "Look at this video," be specific about audio, visuals, or time ranges. For a transcript-driven breakdown, try analyze the attached MP4 video file, act as an expert copywriter and documentarian. Generate a detailed, time-stamped chapter summary of the spoken audio track. Structure the final output inside a scannable 3-column markdown table, displaying timestamp, chapter title, and core action items. For visual steps, say, review the visual data shown in this clip. Describe the exact step-by-step physical adjustments or on-screen workflows taking place between the 1 walk and 03 hunk minute marks, ignoring the background music track entirely. While the file uploads, keep the browser tab open and in focus. If you navigate away, refresh, or switch apps mid-transfer, you can interrupt the connection and the upload may fail. Watch the progress indicator and wait until it completes before sending your prompt. There are usage caps to keep in mind. ChatGPT Plus typically allows up to 80 file attachments every 3 hours. If you hit that rolling limit, upload options will temporarily pause. If things seem stuck, confirm you're on your primary tier in the model selector. Then wait a bit and try again. If your video is on a phone or larger than 500 volume, use the mobile app with advanced voice. Open the app, tap the waveform icon to start voice mode, then tap the camera icon to stream live video. Point your camera at the screen, document, or object, ask your question out loud, and get real-time analysis without a bulky upload. That's it. Combine quick drag and drop uploads with precise time-stamped prompts, and ChatGPT becomes a powerful video analysis partner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.